It's dying.
The temperature was 74 degrees. The dew point was 6.
It's dying.
And rising. In Fayetteville, it was mostly cloudy.
Let's see if this works. And it's dead.